how do we get started? As you would see here, you have two methods. You can click get started, or you can just click on the create button up here. I think it's being blocked by the logo, but if you just click on create, excuse me, this will enable you to access Project Neo already. Okay, so before we begin, again, you have to access it using the website projectneo.adobe.com. You saw a lot of project sample projects on the website, but if not ganito, balikan natin siya. Let's click on the website itself. Let's click on the Project Neo. You would see that you have what we call the community, on which you can remix the designs that they have already here. As you would see, there's a lot of them, and sobrang gagaling ng mga artists dito. As you would see, ako di pa ako ganyan kagaling, as in that's why I launched this program with all of you, para matutunan din natin kung paano mag-create ng mga ganitong klase ng 3D designs. Ayan, oh. Wow. Excuse me. Okay. Wow, di ba? Galing. So we'll learn some of them. Right now, ang objective ko lang sa inyo is we could create a model, like a simple chair. Alam naman natin yan. Alam niyo naman, sikat na sikat dito sa Pilipinas ang Mr. Chair. So, we're going to create a simple chair here. After that, if you click on your files, you will access all of your save files. So, all of your designs already been saved on the fly here. Yan, as you would see. Ako, sobrang simple lang yung ginagawa ko lately, as you would see here. Hindi pa ako ganun kagaling. That's why I still have like the beginner mindset on this. Let's click on create right now. Again, let's go back and click on create. Mr. Chair, please. Yes, naisip ko lang yung Mr. Chair right now. So sabi ko, gagawa tayo ng chair. Ayan, so let's load. At the first instance, you will have a green background here. The only thing that's right now is this is the default view of Project Neo. You have your toolbar on which you can do your basic manipulations such as selecting, editing. You can add text, you can edit the shape, you can do camera operations such as turn around or roll or dolly, pan, or even zoom. Okay, so meron tayong mga keyboard shortcuts. As you would see, let's do basic camera manipulations. As you would see, you can easily use this turn around. So you can also click and drag, as you would see. That is one. Excuse me po, medyo sinisipon ako. I have some cold. I've been under the weather for around a little bit while. So you have like turn around, or you can use your right mouse button. I don't have like a mouse here, so I'm using just the trackpad. I'm using the trackpad, but if you're using the mouse, you can easily use this tool, and you can just turn around and use this, okay? Or you can use the other navigations here. And you can use the tilt up, tilt down operations, or sliders here. And so you have like this one and also this one for you to navigate. If you want to, you make this like free form, you can use your mouse or trackpad to do this, okay? That's one thing. You can also click snap camera orientation for you to have like a snapping effect if you want. If you want this to be aligned very in degrees, for example 45 degrees, you can easily do so. Let's unclick this para hindi siya maging static, or this one is a little bit organic on my end. So you can easily like zoom in using your trackpad, or you can use your pan or H or space. You can easily do so. Kung gusto nyo rule of thirds, pwede nyo gawin yan, di ba? Mga rule of thirds nyo. Next one would be zoom. You can easily use that using your middle mouse button, or yung scroll wheel kayo, you can easily do so. Ayan, di ba? So that's how you use the camera navigations inside of Project Neo. You can also use the tilt up and then the orbit here. Okay? But right now, if I click on the layers here, you have two objects by default. Right now, you can click on the the plane, which is colored in green by default, you can click the button here sa taas, which is to snap the frame here. Let's click on that, snap the frame, and all of this will be in frame, as you would see here.